Really?
Yeah. Try to find one Mexican there. You already just there?
Yeah. No, one of them said hi. Last one. Well, you should have waved too.
I did. I want to get in.
Oh, okay. There's no one here.
Just security. This is close to the public, but since we work with the company,
Yeah.
that's why we have access to get the boxes.
Nice. How was it here during the rain?
Here is nice.
Oh,
The
okay.
other levels are not nice.
No, they're not nice. Damn. Oh yeah, there's someone here.
There's like 4 or 5 companies that work out of this landfill.
Wow.
We're just a small little company here.
Where's the landfill?
Sorry. All that over there. And the one over there in the corner of Glasgow and Rowendale.
Oh, they own this whole property.
They own all this, bro.
Damn.
See pumps like this?
Uh-huh.
That's why we don't slam our trucks and make them all chromed down and nice and not.
Uh-huh.
These are work trucks, bro. Like, we gotta. Maybe we're off road. Boom.
Yeah.
All despacito.
Damn. Imagine lowered. No way.
Nice and slow.
tires.
Tractors.
Damn. Huge tires. So how much do those bins weigh? Both of them? 10, 15?
25 tons.
The bins?
The bins by themselves empty?
Empty.
Oh. 2.5 tons, 2 tons.
Oh, okay.
Those are like 3.5.
3.5. Yeah, I turned on the fan and a bunch of dust came out. And it was working on that setting.
This is when we're working, you know?
Low, low?
No high.
Low, high? What's that?
My dropbacks on the trailer.
Oh. PTO? What does PTO stand for?
Power takeoff from the transmission car. We don't use this one right here. We have it right here.
Oh, okay.
So this is for a different purpose now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a leveling. Leveling?
There's
No?
an axle that's always in the air when you're empty.
Uh-huh.
Now that I'm loaded, to balance the weight.
Wait, you have a liftable axle?
Yeah.
On the truck?
On the trailer.
On the trailer. Oh, okay. much throttle are you giving it right now? 50?
25.
Oh, okay.
You don't want to force it. Then the turbo builds pressure.
It'll do it anyway.
Yeah,
Right,
but
over
you're forcing
time.
it more, though.
Oh, you're forcing it more. Okay.
Like you can force it like that.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
don't turbo like this. There's no need for that, you know?
There's no need, yeah. Unless you're going on the freeway.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
you gotta give it some gas.
Yeah. Right here, no.
There's a big difference when you're like, your company driving is your own truck because everything te cuesta.
Yeah.
You gotta just kind of leave it. Right here is better to wait. I could have made it. It's better to wait. Huh?
Yeah.
Turn soft.
Or don't even, yeah, like some guys, they don't even brake, they just take the turn.
Slide the door for me, please. Of the arc.
Yeah.
Walk up. No, I'm not gonna reverse good because it feels weird.
It's okay.
I'm out of my zone. All the way, all right? All the way.
All the way.
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah.
There it is, Max.
Cool. Smile. Woo!